Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, Thang101 here with another episode of Enviro Bear. I just love this thing so much. So, let's drive directly into the river of salmon. Yay. What? Tiny little... Oh, rocks. Berries. Gimme fish. Eat fish. Berry. No, berry. Get out of here, rock. Get out of here. Rock. Get out of here. Get out of here. Ooh, berry. Get out of here, rock. I hate you, rocks. Wait, reverse? Going in reverse. Whoa! So, you know, break it. Let go a little bit. Break it. Okay. No, go. Goodness! This thing hates me. It doesn't want to... Okay. Here. Now, go this way and drive into... Whoa. Drive into the river of sun. Drive into the river. Whoa! Berries! There should be enough food. I'm gonna be respectful carnivore and not waste my food. Or, well, omnivore. Fish. Stop messing with my stuff, or else I will leave you here to rot. No. Need a clean car. Put my watch right there. There. Now, turn this wheel a little in. Oh, here. Go. No, don't crash into the tree. Get in there! Whoa. Go in reverse. Whoa, Badger! You, sir, need to go out. Shoo. Thank you. Fine cones. Fine cone! Ooh, cave. Woohoo! We're gonna make it! And just in time. Whew. Oh, your car is turbo. Alright, so let's go find us some fish. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Ah, rocks. Ooh, fish. I want them fish. Hard. All the rocks. Okay, stop it. Stop it. Ah, I lost all my fish. All that hard work, ton of rocks, and some fish. Lost fish. Hate you. Hate all stupid rocks. Here, you know what? I'm just gonna store my junk over here. Just all the junk over there. Reverse and drive. And turn, and gonna turn, and whoa, 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 whoa. Please don't be a badger. Nina likes badgers. The primitive bear speak is quite a fascinating language through all of its primitiveness. Bears usually speak without the words "whoa, gimme!" The tail alone! Oh my. Come over here, you fish. Alright, gotta find a way to turn you around. Nature's gift to me. Alright, don't need you. Don't need you. Scram. Come here, giant fish. Oh dear, do I have bees in here? Probably held off by that giant fish. So, while they're held off by the giant fish, I will eat to my heart's content. Oh, right. And floor it. Yep. Definitely held off by the giant fish. Nature blesses me. Stop bonking into the tree for one moment, please. You know what? I'm gonna go in reverse. I'm gonna turn that way. Want to turn that way. Cave! Cave! I'm trying to find a cave! There! Cave! Want it. Gimme. Yay! Yay, my car's still a turbo! Winter arrives in like 5 minutes. Okay. Please, no offense to you guys, but I'm gonna keep playing after this video is done, because I really love this game. so obsessed with it. I don't know why. But I'm gonna give to my obsessions. 2 tiny little itty bitty fish. Itty bitty fish? I don't want itty bitty fish. I want big fish. Like the blessing. The blessing, that's what I'm gonna call it. That's just its name, the blessing. The gigantor fish. That's another name for it. Oh, great. Badger, please, no. Yes, I wants. Me wants. And this kid is how to be a responsible driver. Get acorns in your car and fish. No fish. We're not getting away from you. A feast on tiny fish. All right. There we go. Another level completed. It's still frozen out there. Ooh. Ryan arrives in 4 minutes. Well, oh, I've developed a nice coat. Like Elvis impersonator style coat. How many fish around these? Here. Gimme. Oh yes, big fish. Little fish. I'm almost done. No, don't go in the cave. I don't want to go in the cave. Not yet, anyway. Yay, hibernate. Let's do so. Gonna end this soon. Don't run into the lake. Go into the cave. Yes, that's right. Go into the cave. Wait, hold on. Back up. Back up. Dang it. There's a cave. There's a cave. Gotta grab it in exactly the right spot or else it doesn't work. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love these mechanics because they're so difficult to use. But seriously, the stick could be easier. Anyways, yeah, this is gonna be the end of that video. So, anyways, this is the Peng 101 signing off. Please like, subscribe, and favorite. Bye-bye!